Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove or blur car plates. I will use Adobe Photoshop version 5 to do this. Here we will open this image, and what we need to do here, we need to go where is this tool, and we need to select polygonal lasso tool, and we need to make square around these plate numbers. We will try to make it perfect. I will give my best. And after we finish it, what we need to do is go where is filter, and you need to go where is pixelate, and then select mosaic, or how to pronounce that. And you are almost done. You can move this here and it will pixelate. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.